playing with? Your favorite drawer? Is that your favorite drawer? Buddy. What's going on? Is that how you feel about Daddy being gone? Frustrated? I know. Tell me about it. Coming to see me? You coming to see me? You done playing with all the pots and pans? Plastic anyway. Come on. Oh, distracted. That's right. I'm frustrated. Oh. Okay, gotta clean that up.